Welcome back to Life Hacks After 50. I'm Noel, I'm 61 years old. It's been a while, but I'm here to give this one more try, and I need your help. If you believe we can age strong, move better, and look better after 50, subscribe right now, hit that like button, and share this with someone who needs it. In 5 months, I slimmed my waist and boost lymph drainage. I started doing these movements consistently, and I must tell you, the results are incredible. Not magic, not overnight, but consistent movement. And here's the key. These movements help stimulate lymphatic drainage. So if you're not moving, you're not draining. I have 4 different exercises that I will show you, and it can take up to 10-15 minutes per day. Not long to have a long-lasting results. I put together a little team of all ages to make this video, so it doesn't matter if you're young, middle-aged, or mature. Everyone can do it. Don't forget subscribe, hit that like button, share this video, and save it to follow along daily. Incorporate my homemade tonic to help support healthy blood pressure, reduce stress and inflammation, and more. I'll leave the link below showing you how to make it from scratch. Now let's get started. This first movement is the windmill, slow circular motion, controlled breathing, engaging the core. I go for a 100 count. This movement engages the waistline, improves circulation, loosens shoulders, activates lymph flow. When you rotate like this, you're gently compressing and releasing the abdominal area. That pumping action supports detox through movement. And remember, slow is power. Ready? Let's do 100 counts together. Let's go. Next, standing alternating arm raises. One arm up, one arm down. Switch, controlled breathing. 100 count. This opens the chest, improves posture, increases oxygen flow, stimulates upper body lymph movement. As we age, we tighten up in the shoulders and chest. That restricts circulation. Opening the chest allows better blood flow and better oxygen delivery. Small daily habits, big long-term results. Ready? Let's count together. Now we transition into the side-to-side twist, torso rotating, arms swinging naturally, another 100 count. This movement massages internal organs, improves digestion, reduces stiffness in the spine, helps reduce bloating. Twisting stimulates the midsection. That stimulation improves circulation and helps move stagnant lymph fluid. If this is making sense so far, pause for a second and hit like. That helps this message reach more people over 50 who need it. Ready? Let's do 100 counts together. Let's go. Now we bring it home. Right hand to left toe, left hand to right toe. Cross body movement, 100 count. This one engages everything. Core strength, balance, flexibility, full body circulation. Cross body movements activate both sides of the brain. They force your core to stabilize. They wake up the nervous system. And this is one of the reasons I noticed my waist trimming down over these last 5 months. Let's get started.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it. Well done. Woo. Do that every day.
All right, before you go, this is your reminder from Life Hacks After 50. If you followed this Tai Chi workout with me today, make it a daily habit. It only takes 15 minutes, but it helps improve balance, flexibility, circulation, joint mobility, and reduces stress, all from the comfort of your home. No gym, no pressure, just movement that keeps your body strong and your mind calm. Now let's do this right this time. I see you watching, but don't forget to like, share, and save the video so I can keep bringing you more workouts and health tips. Do it with a friend and keep each other accountable. If this helped you feel better today, you can buy me a cup of coffee and download my guide to better health. Just hit the link in the description or my bio. See you tomorrow. Same routine, stronger you.